She went to another tutor too. I don't know, some in the university with another girl.
Teacher?
Yeah, another teacher.
Ribosome biogenesis. Chromatin spreading visualization of gene action is a Christmas tree. For visualization of gene action, this is a DNA. The DNA starts to produce pRNA by the help of RNA polymerase 1. And
so this is in eukaryote?
This is in both in prokaryote and eukaryote.
And this is to make...
And see, it's written here in eukaryote, but it's happen, I think, in both of them. It doesn't special.
Okay.
And it's transcribe and non-transcribe spacer. We want to learn it.
RNA. This is to make what exactly?
RNA.
RNA. Okay.
But I think for mRNA also. You see, for everything we can see it. The Christmas tree. It's written here. The visualization of gene action is Christmas tree. Maybe RNA production, maybe mRNA, maybe something else.
Okay.
What is the tandem repeat?
Is when like nucleotides they repeat.
Yes, a lot of nucleotides repeat. And what is the job of that?
Their job is?
What is the role of tandem repeat? Why should we have tandem repeat?
I don't know.
Do you remember the structure of chromosome, sister chromatid?
Yeah.
Okay, here is tandem repeat.
Yeah,
Why?
Yeah, in the telomeric region.
Telomere and tandem repeat. Why? In the telomere we have a tandem repeat. Because the damage is start from here.
Yeah.
It can be open easily and start to degradation of the chromosome. We should inhibit it.
Yeah,
in
telomerase.
This case,
no?
telomerase we have. And in the telomerase we have a tandem repeat nucleotide, a lot of nucleotides. In this case, these are not useful. If this is degrade, 1 million of them, the other million is there and protected until the immune system understands and comes and inhibit this process.
Okay.
This is a tandem repeat. The role of that is protection.
So the telomerase, it comes with tandem repeats?
Yes. In the telomerase we have a tandem repeat. The role is protection. Protection of degradation, to not be degraded.
Yeah, for the shrinking.
Primary transcript is 45S pRNA. Processed this 45S. This is a 45S. Where is it? 45S rRNA.
What does that mean?
S means Svedberg.
Svedberg. Yeah.
This is a unit to sediment. For example, if you centrifuge it, and this is a Swedish. You are also from Sweden. This is Swedish.
I'm not from Sweden.
Sweden.
Sabina is from Sweden.
Sabina. You see, this is when we centrifuge it. When we centrifuge something, we can measure the weight of that. Yeah. The weight of the nucleotide is not Newton, is not kilogram, is a Svedberg. This is a unit of them.
Okay. For the ribosomes.
For the ribosome, for rRNA. Okay. rRNA 45 Svedberg is processed to 80, 5.8 and 28, and these are the important number. The 45S gene produce 80, 5.8 and 28 rRNA.
And where is this?
And 5.
And where is this 45S?
In the DNA. This is a DNA. This is a 45S, 80S, 5.8 and 28. Okay, and non-transcription again repeat of that. 45S pRNA is a transcription of this DNA. It has again 80, 5.8 and 28.
So these are basically genes that code to make ribosomal subunits.
Yes.
Okay.
And you see, it's.
Okay. And this one.
We started by this one.
This is so hard.
This is a eukaryotic. Why? Because we see the nucleus.
Yeah.
And the chromatin. It's produced. The DNA loop is produced. The rRNA. What is here inside the nucleus? The nucleolus. Which means the rRNA synthesis happens on the nucleolus. Nucleolus is inside the nucleus. Then the 45S rRNA, it's coming, it's a processing and happens to 60S and 40S. Why 60 and 40? Because here is eukaryote. You see this one. Assembly of ribosome 80S.
Prokaryote has 70,
do you
50.
Remember? 80 and 70 that we learned together.
It has program has 70 and 30. It has this big number. What's number? Yeah, this one.
Yes, this one. This was here. I tell you that's important. In prokaryote we have a 70s, and in eukaryote we have a 80s. In the 70 you have a 30 and 50. In the 80 we have a 40 and 60. Okay. Now it's show us on this figure that this is because this is a eukaryote. Every story starts by 45.
Yeah.
A story is start by 45. The rRNA comes here and the ATS particle is produced. The ATS particle by the help of the processing enzyme and a different RNA, and the 5S RNA also comes to here. Everything comes and helps it, this one it's formed, and by the help of this enzyme and RNA, the 60 and 40S subunit of the ribosome is in the form of immature forms. Then they translocate out to the cytoplasm. They will be mature in this case. They are not immature. Maturation happens. Then the maturation happens by the initiation of translation. They come together. What should we learn? Again, the story starts by 45S on the nucleolus. Then by the processing enzyme RNA, 5S RNA from the nucleus comes to the nucleolus. The immature 60 and 40 produce.
Sorry. These enzymes are inside the nucleolus.
Yes.
And then this 5S RNA comes
from nucleus to nucleolus.
Okay.
Then they produce immature subunit.
Yes.
They translocate to the cytosol. They will be mature, and they produce ribosome. Now back here again. For the primary transcript is 45S RNA. PRRNA is processed to 80, 5.8 and 28 and 5S.
Does it divide in that?
These are the different genes. Yes, actually they produce this peptide and this peptide and this peptide, and these not the peptide, these are RNA. It's come together, make a complex of 40 and 80. Just imagine. You cannot?
Yeah, I can imagine.
Okay.
But,
now outside the nucleolus, the 5S outside the nucleolus from nucleus.
Yes.
From not from cytosol, from nucleus comes to the nucleolus.
Yeah.
Transcribed. It's the 5S is transcribed by RNA polymerase 3, but these are transcribed by RNA polymerase
2.
No, 1. Do you know how I remember them?
No.
RNA polymerase 1, 2, 3. 3 like a tRNA. 3 tRNA. 2 it's like a M. See? M.
Oh, it's 2. Yeah, I see that.
And 1 is R. 1 is R. rRNA. Now all of the rRNA by 1, like here, this numbering. Okay? Just RNA polymerase 5 is by tRNA. Just 5S rRNA is here.
Okay, what about, because you have DNA polymerases as well, you know?
DNA polymerase is to produce DNA. Okay. RNA polymerase is to produce RNA. RNA polymerase 1 is to produce rRNA.
But it's just that it's you know, you have DNA polymerase and RNA polymerase. You just mix the function. I just mix the function of them sometimes.
If you mix the function, you will be failed.
I know.
Because the function is very, very important. Again, DNA polymerase produce DNA. It means it used during
Is the replication.
RNA polymerase during transcription.
Yeah, but it's just that I just forget sometimes like what.
In this case, they give you 1 year's chance to study a lot.
But it's just the different functions of the 1, 2, and 3.
Just this one. One or RNA production.
For DNA.
RNA polymerase 1, 2, 3 is special for eukaryote. Is special for eukaryote. But the DNA polymerase 1, 2, 3 is special for prokaryote. And for the eukaryotic, we have a DNA polymerase alpha subunit, beta, gamma. Do you remember?
Yeah.
These are the difference.
Okay.
And RNA polymerase in prokaryote just one type, just RNA polymerase. In the prokaryote, just one type RNA polymerase to make everything. For example.
Oh, okay.
This is a different. No, snRNA, small nucleolar RNA, comes to help it and make a complex, bonds to pre-rRNA, act as a RNA chaperone. What is the chaperone?
It folds the protein.
Folds the protein, but here it's fold the rRNA.
Yeah.
Okay, fold the rRNA. This is the other story here.
But sometimes it can also unfold protein,
yes,
right?
Maybe.
How do you know?
They are very intelligent. They got to put them on the cell.
But how do you know, like, in which cases they unfold?
You said folding, unfolding.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the rule? Folding, unfolding.
Unfolding.
When the folding is necessary, folding. When unfolding is necessary, it depends.
Okay.
It depends.
Assembly
of ribosome. ATS has a 45S pre-rRNA plus snRNA plus protein. This is the ATS. Where was the ATS here? Here. This is the ATS. This is a 45S plus protein plus SNO. کمش کن!
Do you have to know how many proteins? Because in this picture, something there were a number.
No. Just you should know them.
Okay,
Thank you so much. 60S pre-ribosomal particle is immature large subunit, and 40S is an immature small subunit, and final maturation happens in the cytoplasm. And the migration of here to here, the name is translocation. That's the story. This is a ribosome biogenesis.
Okay.
The ribosome is biosynthesis here now.
And this one is an eukaryote because it has a nucleus.
Yes.
Okay. And this one is that was the question. This one was for which one? This one, right? 36. Synthesis and processing
of eukaryotic pre-rRNA.
So this is the synthesis?
Yes.
And what is the processing?
Processing is here. This process happens.
Okay.
Synthesis and process are together.
Okay.
It means, you see, on that time, I always write the number of the topic here. What is the number of the topic? Topic number?
36.
Yes.
I was going to write the number of page here.
Page 68.
Okay.
My theory is like 80.
Yeah, it is. So confusing. And then this one we have done. The structure and function of ribosomes. What was that?
A structure and function of ribosome?
Yeah.
Structure and function of ribosome.
This one?
No.
Oh, no. Genetic code is the next one. This one?
No. I try to find it.
The operon is here then. So that's the one before, no? It has to be the subunits, right?
Yes, you should speak about the different subunit. You don't have it exactly here, but I can give you. This is a summarize of everything you learn until now, you know?
Yeah? Okay.
I can give it to you.
It has to be this one. No? This thing.
Yes.
Only?
This is
structure.
Not enough. This is good. This is a main of that. But to be exactly, you need to know the ribosome. The ribosome is here. Find it, please. A structure and function of the ribosome. This is a one PDF about that. This is very easy also.
Yeah.
What is exactly the difference? Compare them. Importance in eukaryote. What's happening in prokaryote? Do you have flash memory? I give it to you. All of them now.
I don't have with me.
This is in course material 1.
Shimi.
What?
Shimi?
Shimi, huh?
You always say shimi.
Yes.
But this is not shimi, this is biology. What is biology in Persian?
Biology. Not biology, biology like in French.
Biology.
J.
Biology.
J.
Je. Biology.
Uh-huh.
Okay, cool.
Course matter. You like to love to Iranian, yeah?
What?
I should kill you.
What?
Today I wanna kill a lot of persons, see?
Why? You want to kill me too?
Course material one. Yes, I think you need
You're already killing me with this.
Oh, it's too large.
Oh, really?
I cannot send it to you.
Oh, okay.
But maybe if I copy these on the desktop, I can just send one of them.
One of my friends, she took the biology exam second time. First time she failed the MRT, and then she took it again. And then you know the in the operon, the lactose operon, there is this repressor.
Yeah.
She didn't mention that, and the woman failed her because she didn't mention
That's
the repressor.
very important.
I know, it's very important because of the function of the tryptophan and the lactose. But that is easy. I get that one. I don't have trouble with this.
Good.
Yeah.
I send it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Where should we start it now?
Yeah.